Hey guys, MageG17 here, and welcome to another episode of Let's Play Risk of Rain. I am, of course, MageG17, and I'm also here with Goober LP.
Hello.
So, where are we gonna crash land this time? Where we're always gonna crash land.
Watch it go somewhere different for some reason.
It just goes to the final level automatically. We're like, what?
I tried to join your server and I don't think you have it going yet.
I don't have it going yet. I started it at the title screen. Now I have it going.
Okay. Oops, that was the wrong one.
Oh, I just realized I gotta pull out my controller. So, this time, we're gonna be doing the exact same. We're gonna be doing the exact same thing we did before, except this time we're turning up the hard mode.
And you'll notice that I have more characters on my screen available.
Yeah.
So, do I want to be the sniper or the loader?
I don't know who I want to be, actually. I'll go with Chef. I'll turn him into a nice pasta.
I would be sniper then, because there's some things that Chef can't get.
Damn it, you make a good point.
Okay, well, I chose sniper. You can be Chef.
Oh, God!
What?
I'm falling for the world!
You are?
I gotta restart!
Okay. And that's one of the bugs in the game.
Yes! Server's up. Oh god, that's perfect.
Yep.
Launch! We end up falling for the world for some reason again. No, we don't. Okay. Thought my little sister was crying for overdramatically reason again.
So you'll notice that the sniper is basically a single-shot power class.
Basically, the sniper rifle is its only form of attack. It has no special abilities. It can other special attacks. The sniper rifle is basically its main weapon. Oh. I picked up a monster log?
Yep.
I think that's the first time I've actually tried playing on hard mode.
Yeah. So, I have tried it. One thing you should know... Oh, okay.
I just realized the first thing, we both need to get a green chest, like, ASAP.
I'm gonna work on getting this, relic over here.
Alright,
I hope you can alive. Or, I hope you can stay alive, rather.
Yeah. Alright, come on.
I did it with this character, making this jump without a double jump.
And I can hear my mom fussing my little sister in the background.
I just need to remember to turn around at the right time.
Lovely commentary you're having.
Mm-hmm.
Especially on a awkward day as I...
Are you ready for the imps?
Sure. Oh god, they're everywhere! Oh god, they are everywhere. Oh, sweet Jesus.
Did we get the imps?
We didn't! Oh no! How do we not get them all? But yeah, the sniper is basically a powerhouse when it comes to murdering bosses and stuff.
I think for me, the mirror is going to be a good thing to have.
Okay, automatically infusion. Alright, now we gotta try and aim and get you an infusion.
Oh, one thing I should probably mention about sniper. You see the bar that's going left and right? If I hit it in the white area, that means I'm gonna have a higher damage on my next shot.
Okay, so, we murder you, we murder your face, we murder your uvula. We slice and dice your kidneys. Oh, I thought you died for a second there. I'm like, wait, where's Goober?
No, I didn't die.
Get the imps! That will be for you.
Yeah. The next thing I'm gonna get is gonna be the double jump, though.
If we're lucky enough to get one.
Yeah.
How much health do you have, actually?
I have 46.
I've got 87. Get this health drone down here.
Okay.
What's cool about the chef is, he has an ability that his fourth special attack will basically allow you to upgrade your other 3 abilities. And when you get the Ancient Scepter, which is a rare item which will upgrade your 4th ability, it allows you to use this your 4th ability, your 4th attack twice. So I would be able to do this here twice. Up green chest over here.
Okay, I'm gonna get a double jump if that's okay with you.
Yeah, go on ahead.
Up where? I need to find it.
No, I'm gonna take it! I'm just kidding. You just like twirl around and spin. And oh!
Yeah,
Oh.
this is another difference with hard.
Yeah. Also with hard, you actually have to wait a whole full 2 minutes, I believe, for when activating the teleporter.
Yeah.
No! Oh god, one of those actually nearly hit. Get that health drone down here!
Okay, I didn't see it. Oh, there it is.
Don't worry, Goober! I will distract it! I will be a distractioner!
Oh.
Warning!
Actually,
I will get this because you took like the first couple items. I'm automatically getting this. Now this! This right here will utterly rape. See what I mean?
I'm dead.
Oh shoot. Oh no, oh no. Okay, I had to get the disposable missile launcher. Okay. We never got the artifact, did we?
No.
Dang it. Okay, I'll go on and activate the teleporter. So yeah, you can see how that will utterly murder a boss.
Yeah.
Like so. Soundtrack in this game is amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot I need to give some papers to my mom and ask her about that tracking number for my Gundams.
In the meantime, I'll have some cinnamon chips.
I had a snickerdoodle yesterday. It's basically a cinnamon sugar cookie. And these sand crabs, which is, yes, that's what they are, is what I like to call Kabutos on crack. Or steroids.
Or both.
Or both, yeah. Well, most likely steroids. Because if you don't know what a Kabuto is, you do not know your Pokemons.
I'm not a Pokemon guy, so...
You do not know your Pokemons. Ah, come on. Best thing about the default attack is, while it is mid-range, it's the knives act like the butcher knives act like a boomerang, and I like how your drone is still sitting there. Come on! also need to tell my mom to give me some gas money. And some money to get breakfast. And you're alive now. Congratulations. What level are you? Goober? Goober.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, I was about to say, I thought the Skype call glitched.
No.
Alright, anyway, welcome back. You're alive. What level are you?
6.
Okay. I'm level 9. What? Ah! Why is it the number 69? Leave me alone. No, my mind's
Why would you want it to leave you alone?
What are you suggesting?
I'm not suggesting anything.
It's just that every time I see that number, the number 63, my mind immediately goes in the gutter, and that's been happening to me for the past few months now.
The number 63.
And 69.
63?
You should know what I mean by that. You don't, do you?
No.
Rule 63 of the internet! There is always an opposite gender.
Oh, I don't mind that rule.
But it also coexists with Rule 34, and we all know what that is. Kids, do not look it up. I am not held responsible if you do.
He's lying. He totally is.
Bull crap! I'm telling the truth. I'm not.
So those mushroom things are annoying because they let loose a poison cloud.
Oh yeah, they're really annoying.
Actually,
you take that missile drone. You go on and take the missile drone, I'll take these. Ah! Help me! Help me! Help me, oh god!
I think it's dead.
I'm dead!
No, I died. Okay.
Well, that's a video. See you guys in the next episode.
No. Well, I mean, I guess that can be an episode. Should we switch it back to normal?
No, that was actually a challenge.
Okay, I'm gonna switch to bandit then.
I want an actual challenge for once. I will go to Let's do this. Come on. This is actually kind of exciting. Because on easy and normal, it's pathetic. We're playing as the Commando and Bandit, and like I said in the last episode, which I haven't uploaded yet by the time this is being recorded, I was talking about how I pictured my friends and me, and I was picturing my friends what character they would be. So basically, I'm Commando, Jenna is the Bandit. Like I said, it's just who I'm picturing them being as. I don't know why. That's just what characters I pictured them being. If this is like
so you got $25.
No, I got 24. Now I got 25.
Is this the level that has the wall that you can break?
No.
Okay.
Who did I say I pictured as a sniper in the last episode? Oh god! I think I said Matt. I always thought that the gun the bandit was holding was a frickin' pistol, but apparently no, it's a...
No! It didn't see me pushing down.
I know how that feels.
So the bandit is powerful, has a powerful gun. Why did you get the money for me killing the enemy?
The money's divided.
Oh, did you both get it?
Yeah, we both get the EXP and the cash is divided.
Oh, okay.
I just saw you go for the freaking wall there!
Right.
I can't even get... Neither of us can. Oh, okay.
I mean...
You take it.
Yeah, that must be nice.
Take it.
Oh. I mean, you were the one that got it.
Yeah, but you screwed up on yours.
Thanks for the reminder.
Hey, I gave you mine. You just owe me $400,000.
I am not heavy.
References that we only get. The sad and lonely life of gamers.
Look at.
God, glass just makes this way too easy. You get one of
money
those.
to get the chest.
Oh.
Oh, right, I messed up on one of them, so you get it.
I just imagine that holding a rusty blade or knife makes it so that when you shoot someone, it will make them bleed longer. What?
Eh. Maybe you're shooting knives.
Dear God. Actually, that's kind of a thing.
Yeah.
There is a shotgun with shell. There's a shotgun round that has like 12 X-Acto knives in the shell, and it's super weird.
And also probably super deadly.
They tested it against a watermelon. It's weird. Like the knife somehow, I don't even know how to describe what happened. Oh snap! You get it.
Okay. Oh no. Oh, it's a used item. What do you want? You like the missile launcher, so I'm gonna grab that, even if it's not necessarily what you want right now.
Yeah. So if we die maybe 2 or 3 times, I'll call it an episode and just us failing, and probably this will be something I could show at school.
Yeah.
If Rixby will allow it, he'll probably go like, "Boy, why are you wanting to show this video in class?" That's Mr. Rixby in a nutshell. He jokes around a lot.
Whee! So you noticed that I got ceremonial dagger, right?
Yep, the ceremonial dagger.
Oh, sorry about that. My mouse is on the screen. I didn't realize.
I imagine like now, like at a wedding, like after they say you do, it's like, okay, you must now mix your blood together with the ceremonial dagger.
Or, you know, you could do something else.
I just imagine it as a weird wedding overseas or something. I don't know why. Just the word ceremonial dagger. It sounds like something to be used at a wedding or a funeral. I don't freaking know. And trust me, the conversations we're having right now are nowhere near as weird as the ones in my 4-period class. Everyone there knows what I'm talking about.
Assuming they watch your videos?
They don't. I know they don't. Talking about people making money. Well, I'm not gonna actually mention it. I want to keep my videos somewhat G-rated. Or somewhat age-appropriate.
here's a tip: aim for PG-13, and you're gonna have a much better time making your videos. Because you can say a lot more and get away with the PG-13 rating.
Where is it? Did we go by the teleporter?
I don't know.
It's already been 7 minutes, God, so the video's been already at almost 20 minutes. Ooh, rare item. What do I get? What do I get? What do I get? What do I get? I'm getting the brilliant behemoth direct hit! Yes, I just went Adolf Hitler in here. I remember when I first did that voice. God, that was a long time. I don't think you were in that video. It was me, Sage, and X-Agent.
Just a minute. Keep talking. I just heard a loud thud, and I'm gonna make sure that everyone's okay. I'm hanging on a rope, so I should be fine.
I thought you meant in real life. I'm like, what? Yeah, I'll continue my little story about about somebody saying I sounded like Adolf Hitler in the TF2 video in just a minute, once he gets back. That's actually, when I did it, like... I like it how it's easier for me to explain things in words, and yet it's harder, I still have a hard time explaining it in words. And I just completely went goodbye. Pudding! I don't even bother to look back over these videos, because usually they're so long, I make them so long that I don't want to bother looking back over them, and that was a boss. It looks like the blood just spewed out of its head. What do I... Oh, God, oh, God. There. Oh my God, this is murder. Oh God. But yeah, this is a great game nevertheless. Just get over the size of the characters and stuff and the enemies, and it's just an absolutely amazing game. There's still very slight glitches and whatnot. I think I remember the teleporter being over here. No, it's not over here.
So, it's super windy outside.
Yeah, it's the same over here.
There's like gusts of 50-mile-per-hour winds.
Yeah, pretty much over here too! Then again, we're only like 6 hours apart from each other.
Yeah, I was about to point out that fact. It's like, we're pretty much... Oh, and I came back just in time to be being attacked by jellyfish.
Yeah. But anyway, like like I was saying before, in one of my, Team Fortress 2 videos a while back.
Why did that spawn over near me? It's a use item, so I'm gonna get one that I want to use, but...
Yeah, like I killed a magworm and it just goes over there to you, but anyway... hang on. Ah! Oh God, I thought I was dying there. Nick, give me just a sec.
So I grabbed the Salmarang.
Okay, I'm back. I had to blow my nose again.
I grabbed my Salmarang. Because, you know, it's the weapon of champions.
My friends, and we'll keep on fighting! Yeah, no. This has been overdone too many times.
I want a ukulele now. So, did you get any more infusions?
No, I only got one.
Okay, same here.
But anyway, as I was saying, it was in one of my, phone. Shut up. One of my old TF2 videos, like around a year ago, me, Sage, and X-Agent were on a server. It was fairly small. It was on Turbine. I believe. We were just messing around and stuff. We decided to do an intro. We started playing the song It's Raining Men when I rocket jumped and actually somewhat successfully killed someone while rocket jumping. I'm glitched. I cannot move.
Can you shoot?
No, I can only jump.
Well, we have enough purple dots of death going around that you should be fine.
But anyway, like later on in the video, I had my direct hit equipped and I killed someone with it. It was like, no, direct hit! And I looked in the comment like a few days later, I'm dying.
You can use that item.
And somebody wrote in the comments like they put the time in the video and it said Adolf Hitler. I looked back at it and I'm like, holy crap! I do kind of sound like him because my voice is a bit higher pitched on mic than what it actually is in real life.
Which, I'm lagging to the point where I can't kill enemies.
Which gets really annoying, especially on the phone. Like when somebody like calls the house and like they're looking for my parents, like no, they're not here. Like thank you, ma'am. I'm like I'm gonna frickin' strangle their ass. But yeah, let me try unplugging my controller really quick. See if that helps any. Oh no, it. We may have to quit again, Goober.
Oh boy.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
Let me know when you're leaving the game, because remember that the game crashes if you do.
I just did.
Okay. Are you hosting a game?
I can't even get my freaking controller to work! Should this even be called an episode or just be called a blooper?
It's a blooper.
Yeah, this is totally a blooper. Hang on, while during the bloopers, I will try and get my controller to work. Yeah, this could definitely be something just shown during the class since it's like almost half an hour. Probably something that could be definitely shown as awesome, not just because they're probably going like, oh wow, it's actually characters we can see! Yeah, we're gonna have to end the recording. Blooper episode, everyone, bye!